Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are going to see about object-oriented programming using Java, and this is what second CSE, and we are going to see about introduction to OOPS, and it is a third video in this series. So, in previous videos, we saw about languages and different procedure and object-oriented programming differences, and OOPS concepts and what is OOPS class and objects in detail we saw. Now we are going to see about encapsulation and abstraction. So this is an example for class and objects. Object is nothing but actual car, or class is nothing but instance of class is nothing but blueprint or template. Object is nothing but instance of a class. And what is the difference between both the things? So we saw in the last video. So now we will start with a quiz. Let me tell what was the missing. So can you recollect? First is class and object. Next, second is encapsulation and abstraction. Third is inheritance and polymorphisms. So encapsulation and inheritance are missing in the blanks. So this is an vending machine we saw on our campus. So what happens? We will insert the coin and you will get the output or product from the vending machines. So this is an example for encapsulations. So in this class we don't know what are the processes are happening inside the machine. So this class consists of variables and methods. So encapsulation, you always have to imagine encapsulation is as a capsule, and it consists of minor particles, right? So it consists of variables and methods. So variable is also called as data members, and methods is also called as functions or methods or behaviors. So always remember these things. In many terms we will always use this particular term. This is a basic one, so remember these things. And for abstraction, so it is we have two examples. One is mobile, another one is in car. So in front end of the mobile we can touch, you will touch the mobile and you don't know what is happening inside the mobile. And for car you have engine and all, but it is not known to the user, it will be covered. So in the same way these two are similar, and it is concepts of abstractions. If you think about these two things, it will looks like similar. So now we will see in detail for these two things, abstraction and encapsulations. And parameters we are considering for this encapsulation and abstractions are, and what we are used for, and what is the focus, implementation, focuses on, and applications for these two things. So abstractions is mainly used to focus or address the designing stage issues. So abstraction solves the problem and issues that arise during the designing stage. And for encapsulations, it is done during the implementation stage, and it is also used to solve the problems and issues that arise. And for focus, it allows to focus on the objects instead of what focuses on what the object does instead of how it is done or does. So in encapsulations, it enables you to hide the code and data into single unit to secure the data from the outside world. And for implementations, here we can use abstractions by using interfaces and abstract class. And for encapsulations we are using access modifiers like public, private, and protected and all. And for focuses is mainly focused on what should be done, and for encapsulation focus primarily on how it should be done. And for applications, it is designed during the design level, and for the encapsulations it is during the implementation level. So these are the major differences between encapsulation and abstractions. So encapsulation is during implementation stage, and for abstraction is during design stage. So now we will see encapsulations. So here this process, encapsulation process and abstraction process are done. So it is a simple example for encapsulation and abstractions. So mathematical equation shown in the figure, it is then complex function, it is required to do the involvements. The calculator shows the result, it does not hide the implementation values. And for abstractions, it shows the figure that has to be powered by the battery source, and it will show the how battery modules work for the calculator is not necessary to known for the users who the calculator uses. And so these two puzzles, you can tell me who I am. I am a 11 letter word. I hide unnecessary information and expose only the relevant data. Can you guess what it is and comment in the video? Thank you.